Welcome back to King's Coins, and we have silver enders. Here we are again with King's Coins, and as I just said, we got some silver enders. This one's 69. I believe this is going to be a silver right there. I just opened the box. I haven't flipped these over. Let me flip these over, and I'll be right back. Welcome back, King's Coins. I flipped them over, and what I found is I got 2006 NIFC right there. And that's a 1969 silver. I'm pretty sure that this one's going to be a silver as well. I'm going to start this box, and we'll start here, and I'm going to go back and forth. And as I find any silver, and as I get to those, I'll loop you back in. So stay tuned. King's Coins will be back shortly. Welcome back, King's Coins, and I'm in my first roll. Just open it up. And 1968, and I think maybe '69. This might be a really good box. So let me go through the rest of this roll, and I'll loop you in as needed. King's Coins will be right back. Welcome back, and I just opened up the next roll. And I'm pretty sure 66 right there. And that looks like it. 3 silvers and 2 rolls. 4th row in, and it looks like I have another silver. Right here. 66. And that looks like that's the only one in there. Welcome back to King's Coins, and I haven't found anything in a few rolls. I've got to this 2006 ender. I did find a 2005 NIFC, but let me open this up and see if there's anything else with this NIFC here. Well, there's a 2006 ender. '72. That's the one I was trying to grab. 2009. Check this one. That's a 98. I'm thinking that this side's going to have some silver in it, and so far I've found NIFCs on this side, but I'm still going zigzagging back and forth, so let me get back to it, and I'll be right back. Welcome back, King's Coins. I'm still on that same roll, and alright, let me do this. I did not notice it before, but I glanced at it right after I stopped recording just now, and went for this one, and it was a 64. So I got a 90%er, 2 NIFCs in this one roll. Get back to this box. I'm sure I'll be back before you know it. Welcome back, King's Coins, and I'm on roll 19, and I think there's more silver in here. I'm thinking maybe 2. One right there. One right there. Allison, can you help me? not the one I was talking about. It's the one right there. That's a bicentennial.
Oh, this one?
Yep.
Oh.
1968. Sorry for the glare, people. 1968 right there.
Oh.
And check the one over here. Yep. $1967. Let's see. What's that? That's just a 98, but I got 2 silvers in that roll. Is there anything else, Allison?
I don't see anything.
Alright, well, still got a whole lot more to go. Welcome back to King's Coins. This roll 21. This is the one I thought was a silver ender. And Allison's here to help me out. She's going to help open it up, and we're going to find out if that end is a silver or not. And let me see this. Oh yeah, we might have more in there. Flip it over. What year is that one? Okay, just as light. 67. That's another silver. 68.
Oh, wow. 2 right there, right beside each other.
Wow, 2 of them. 68, 69 right there. That's 3 in that one roll.
I don't see any more.
Alright, nothing else, but look at this. We got 9 40%er so far, 1 90%er, and 4 NIFCs. I'm going to hit this roll, and that roll is definitely a silver ender. But stay tuned, King's Coins will be back shortly. Welcome back, King's Coins. There's nothing in roll 22, but this is roll 23 that we know is a silver ender. And Allison's going to open it up here.
Oops.
And I think there's some friends in there just from the little glance I got right here off to the side. Oh, there's definitely more than just one in here. Let's see. The ender right here was the 69. Nothing there. $67. $68. 3 in that roll. 4, another 68.
It looks like that's all.
4 in that one roll. And I haven't even gotten halfway through that box. This is a great box here. But stay tuned, King's Coins. We'll be back shortly. Welcome back, King's Coins, and we're on roll 25. And I just opened it up. I believe this one. Yep, another 67. That puts us at 14 silver so far. Let me check this, see if it's an NIFC. Nope, just a shiny 82. But stay tuned, King's Coins will be back shortly. Welcome back, King's Coins, and we're on roll 34. And it looks like we got some more silver. Right here. 67. It's number 15 of the 40%ers. And 7 NIFCs so far. Still got 16 more rolls go. King's Coins will be right back. Welcome back to King's Coins. We're on roll 38. And I think we got another silver right here. If I can get it out. 67. Number 16. I'll bring you back in if I find anything else. Welcome back, King's Coins. I'm on roll 40 here. Open it up. And I think I got 2 in here. Wow, that sucked. That's a 66. And stay tuned while I pick these ones up off the floor. Welcome back. I got those picked up, and that other one was a 65. So that actually makes 18 total 40%ers, 1 90%er. I still got 10 rolls to go. King's Coins will be back shortly. Roll number 46. Got it right here. And what was it? I thought I saw another silver in there. Let me see. There is 65. That makes number 19 for the 40%ers. Still got 4 rolls left. King's Coins will be right back. Welcome back, King's Coins. And we ended up with 1 90%er, 19 40%ers, 11 NIFCs out of that box. We got that 64, 2 65s, 3 66s, 6 67s, 5 68s, 3 69s. Now on NIFCs we got 3 2003s, 1 2004, 2 2005s, 2 2006, a 2009, a 2014, and a 2016. That is definitely one of my best boxes I've gotten so far. I hope you enjoyed this $50 hunt. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, remember, it's always good to be the king.